Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on Nintendo Switch in two-player mode. First, make sure your Nintendo Switch is updated and both controllers, whether Joy-Cons or Pro controllers, are fully charged and connected. Launch Minecraft from your home screen. Once the game loads, select Play to enter your worlds. The second player can then easily join the game by pressing the L and R buttons simultaneously on their controller. This will activate split-screen mode, allowing two players to share the fun on one console. For online multiplayer, both players will need an active Nintendo Switch Online membership. Make sure you are friends with the person you want to play with on your Nintendo Switch system. One player will host a world, which can be a new or existing one. The other player can then join by navigating to the Friends tab within the Minecraft game menu. This allows you to explore vast worlds together, even when you are not in the same room. To ensure the best experience, a stable internet connection is absolutely essential for online play. Both players should also have the exact same version of Minecraft installed to avoid any compatibility issues. For local split screen, playing on a television or a larger monitor can significantly enhance visibility and enjoyment for both players, making it easier to see the action on screen. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of the game or even your Nintendo Switch console can often resolve minor glitches. Always double-check your system settings to ensure all controllers are properly connected and recognized. Once everything is set up, dive into the world of Minecraft. There are countless adventures to be had, from building magnificent structures to exploring dangerous caves. Enjoy your two-player journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.